Made from scratch tutorials, this is DJ Andy. Welcome everybody. The episode of today is about faderless scratching, and I'm showing you 5 techniques that you can use to spice up your flow. Check it out. The first faderless technique sounds like this. In fact, it's 2 baby scratches in a row. And I use my thumb to put extra pressure and to get the sound that crispy. The second one is a tear scratch. And a bit faster. The third scratch is called bubble scratch or snake scratch. Just bring your 2 fingers together and move them from left to right as if you were crossing out something with a pen on a paper. The fourth one is a scratch that A-Track used to do in some of his routines. So I'm gonna stop the sound with one hand and push forward with the other one. Check it out. All right, once again. And for the last one, you need your both hands. One hand will push the sound forward, and with my other hand, I will use my thumb and my middle finger to hit the record. Once again. Okay, 5 techniques. Let's try it out on a beat. All together, check it out.